In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. If you're locked out of your Discord account and can't remember your password, don't worry. The reset process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. To begin, go to the Discord login page. This is the screen where you would normally enter your account details to sign in. Make sure you're on the official Discord site or app so you're using the correct password recovery process. Once you're on the login page, click into the email field and enter the email address or phone number connected to your Discord account. This is important because Discord needs to know which account you're trying to recover. Double check that you type it correctly, since even a small mistake can stop the reset message from reaching you. After that, look for the forgot your password option and click on it. This tells Discord that you want to reset your password instead of trying to log in with the old one. It's the key step that starts the recovery process. Discord will then send you a secure reset option based on the contact method linked to your account. If your account uses an email address, you'll receive a password reset link in your inbox. If your account is connected to a phone number, Discord may send a 6-digit verification code by text message. If you don't see the email right away, it's a good idea to check your spam or junk folder as well, just in case it was filtered there. Once you receive the reset link or verification code, go back to Discord and enter the information in the required field. Follow the prompts carefully because this is what confirms that you're the owner of the account and allows you to move forward securely. After that, you'll be able to create a new password. Choose something strong but memorable. A good password should be hard for other people to guess, but still easy enough for you to keep track of safely. If possible, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. It can also help to store it in a trusted password manager so you don't run into the same issue again later. And that's it. Once your new password is set, you should be able to log back into Discord with your updated login details.